Alright, so I think we've solved the problem. We found out that the original battery on here was dead, has no cranking amps, as you previously saw. We tested it, it showed voltage, but no cranking ampage. So it was time to go get a new battery, and I think that will solve all the problems. So I took out my battery from here, put it in the other ATV, so I got a new battery to stick into this ATV. Kind of confusing when you have two ATVs that are the same, but bumpers, and the other one doesn't have bumpers. That's how we keep these two apart. Alright, so I'm going to put the new battery in this one just for fun. Let's see how fast I can do it. Do I have to pull the tool out of the bag when we start? And I have to pull the battery out of the box when we start? Do I have to put the seat on too?
Yeah,
From seat off to battery in to seat back on to starting the ATV. Seat on. Ready, set, go. The title of the video. How fast can you change out a battery on an ATV? Alright, now I have to get the 10mm wrench to tighten up these battery terminals because you can't ever get them tight enough with just a screwdriver. It's 12 a.m. Check the voltage real quick. 12.6 voltage. 2:30 seconds. Woohoo! Alright, well I think we got it fixed. We've got a brand new battery in here. It is running pretty good. We should probably set the clock. I don't even know what time it is. Will it be like 7 maybe? It's kind of dark. I have no clue what time it is actually. I'll have to fix that later, but yeah. Clock's set now. Alright guys, I think we've got the problem solved. New battery, it hasn't had any issues since, so we're good to go there. Thanks for following along and solving the issue along with me. See you guys in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Follow along on our adventures here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.